Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best bathtub trays that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Hanky Bamboo Bathtub Caddy Tray. There's nothing like a hot bubble bath at the end of a long, hard day, especially when you're soaking in aromatherapy and enjoying a good book or movie completely hands-free. Introducing the Hanky Bamboo Bathtub Caddy, a premier way to enjoy foamy suds and your favorite amenities while kicking back in a jacuzzi or standard tub. Crafted with ergonomic bottom grooves and in a strong wooden frame, this extendable bathtub tray is rigid enough to hold a tablet, glass of wine, your phone and some candles without slipping, sliding or skidding into the water. The wide, oversized design ensures our caddy can extend to fit a wide range of tubs, including clawfoot, standard, rectangle, round or narrow. Better yet, it's made from pure bamboo, making it naturally more sustainable and hypoallergenic. At number 4. Luxury Bamboo Bathtub Tray Caddy. The Bambusi Bathtub Caddy Tray makes it more enjoyable to hold your electronics and books so you can soak in the tub and stay much longer than you would normally think of. The solid finish construction and durable moso bamboo makes this bathtub caddy an elegant accessory that matches any bath decor. No matter what your tub size is, this caddy features extending arms that can adjust in width to fit your tub. Enjoy a safe and secure place to put your tablet, book, phone, and a glass of wine while the bamboo caddy tray adds to the spa feeling for your unwinding essential. Whether you have a wide or narrow bathtub, the steady arms easily expand to the width and stay firmly in place so you don't have to worry about slipping, so you can prop up your book or tablet for easy browsing and reading. It also has spaces where you can keep your phone and wine. At number 3. oobest Bathtub Tray Bamboo Bathtub Caddy Tray. The removable bamboo pegs can be adjusted to 3 specific settings to support any of your favorite books. Tablet and Kindle are designed to keep the pages in place while you enjoy your time in the tub. The book support folds down easily and conveniently for easy storage. Great gift idea. Our sturdy design prevents tray from sliding, bouncing or skidding across the tub like other metal trays. Our construction is made of 100% natural bamboo from sustainable growth forests and will not rust. This is also a great unique Christmas gift idea for men, women, dad or mom. Perfect birthday present for Father and Mother Day holidays and a cool anniversary gifts for him or her. The indented dish is perfect for something small like a phone. It also makes a great candle holder for relaxation. The removable bamboo pegs can be adjusted to 3 specific settings to support any of your favorite books. Tablet and Kindle are designed to keep the pages in place while you enjoy your time in the tub. The book support folds down easily and conveniently for easy storage. At number 2. SIMATH Luxury Bathtub Caddy Tray. Transform your bathroom with this incredible bathtub tray from Samath. You can use it for using electronic devices while you are in the tub or for a spa experience. It also features a cutout in the shape of a circle that is perfect for keeping your lavender or other scented candles and for coffee mugs or herbal tea. Next, it also has a shelf design with a metal prop that lets you keep books, newspapers and tablets. And that also in a slanted position for comfortable reading time. You also get a freeholder for your soap. Samath is a must-have for your home. It's a place where you can put everything you need for spa sessions, even an extra glass of wine or a book to read. We also made sure the design fits into the style of your bathroom. Finally at number 1. BAMBUROBA Bathtub Caddy Tray. BAMBUROBA brings to you an exceptional bathtub tray that has superior construction and top-quality craftsmanship behind it. For a nominal price, you get a bathtub tray which has adjustable handles. As a result, it allows you to extend it for fitting on top of the bathtub with a larger width. When fully extended, the tray can reach a length of 43 inches, which should be more than enough for most bathtubs. It also has a large opening for keeping wine glasses of different sizes as well. No assemble required and easy to use. The Bath Caddy is your perfect gift choices as Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, both thoughtful and practical, soap dish free. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.